Singer, 57 applications perfect made easy start 13046 built-in stitches, free arm best sewing machine for beginners. Best sewing machine. The Singer Start 1304 sewing machine is basic, simple, and easy to use thanks to 57 stitch applications, all with preset stitch width and stitch length. Just select your stitch and start sewing. Singer Start 1304 Start free arm model sewing machine has 25-year limited. Lightweight and portable. This lightweight and portable machine weighs only 7 pounds, making it great for sewing in smaller spaces or taking to sewing class. Automatic bobbin winding sewing machine. To wind a bobbin, simply follow the numbered diagram printed on top of the sewing machine. The bobbin will automatically stop turning when it's completely filled. Singer Start 1304 accessories includes all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, darning plate, pack of needles, bobbins, needle plate screwdriver, spooled pin felts, seam ripper lint brush, power line cord, foot controlled, quick start guide, instruction manual. Amps 0.6. This sewing machine is warranted for use in the US and Canada at 110 volts only.